Hello there, I am the Pyro and I'm gonna show you who I am.
Oh, I'm a fat ugly bitch. Oh. Ooh, look at me, I have a fire penis and I'm gonna burn you. Now I am going to burn you this heavy cause he is fat and ugly, and right now I'm just gonna, do this. Oh, he's burning. Oh